Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to turn off sharing posts on TikTok stories. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on TikTok, click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Okay, so let me tell you that by disabling sharing, you have more control over where and how your content is shared and viewed. Now, for brands and influencers, controlling the sharing of posts helps maintain a consistent image and message. It ensures that only high-quality brand-approved content is shared, and turning off sharing can prevent your content from being used out of context or misrepresented. Now, once you are on your TikTok, if you're using the web version on the TikTok.com website, I need you to click on your profile here, view profile, or click on settings, whichever you wanted. Now, once you are here, hover to the privacy settings, and you should be able to see the safety option. Now, if you don't see any safety option, let's head over to the TikTok app. I need you to go to your mobile device. Now, once you are on your TikTok app, I need you to hover to the hamburger menu or the three horizontal line or the three lines here at the upper right corner. I need you to click on the cog icon setting or the gear icon and click on the story. It should be around here. There you go. Click on the story, and it's set for everyone right now. Okay, now if you want to turn off post sharing on TikTok story, you might want to, as you can see, there's a small information below at the bottom that says others may be unable to add your post to their posts or stories depending on your privacy settings. And of course, if you don't want that, all you're gonna do is click on only you. And as you can see, the information below at the bottom changes as well. Others can't add any of your current or future posts to their stories. And once you're happy with that, all you're gonna do is click on OK. Now the thing is, if you don't see any option for the story here, there could be probably a bug or a glitch that you need help from the support center. Here, click on report a problem. And from here, that's going to be troubleshooting steps, all right? Click on the chat with us option. Just wait for a little bit. And from here, you'll tell them your problem, and that's going to be and wait for an answer, right? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.